Today I'm going to show you guys how to make realistic shakes inside of After Effects while doing your 3D animations. It's actually pretty simple, but a lot of people really don't get it. And it is unfortunate because a realistic camera shake can really make your animation a lot more immersive and realistic. So today I'm going to show you guys how you can do it. It's pretty easy and simple to do. So let's dive deep into it right now. The first method is to simply go ahead and click on the 3D camera, go to position. Now simply alt click on the clock right there and add a wiggle expression. Now, a lot of people know this, but then there's another step afterwards that people usually skips. So simply make your wiggle expression like you want. So your first value is basically just the speed of the shake. So I usually put it at a small number like this. And the second value is simply how intense the shake will be. So I'll put it at 20. And as you can get a little something, but I want the shake to be a little more prominent. So we're going to put it at 30. Now the next step is simply do the same, but for the rotation. So simply copy this expression right there, click on your camera and click on R. Now on the orientation, you're going to alt click the clock and you're going to paste the same expression. And as you can see, this is a hot mess. So what you can do is simply tone down the amount of shake that you have. So I'll put it at 5, and for the speed I think I'll put it at 0.5. So as you can see, it's still not perfect. So what I can do is simply keep on trying to make it as good as possible by changing the expressions. So this was the first method. Now the second method is actually really simpler. So I'm simply gonna remove all of these expressions and I'm gonna simply use my plugin. Link is in the description. This plugin is actually the plugin that I use all the time for my 3D animations inside of After Effects, because it literally converts every single layers into 3D, create a 3D camera, and simply places everything with the power of a single click. It is actually a game changer, and it also comes with a realistic camera shake option. So all you have to do is simply click on that right there. As you can see, you already have a smooth and realistic camera shake motion. So if you're not satisfied with this, you can still play around with the frequency and the intensity. It's however you want. You can change it to your liking, and it's pretty easy since you can change it all up with the sliders. And that's how I make my camera shakes that realistic every single time. The link of the plugin will be in the description. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys want to know more about how I did this cool depth of field effect, don't hesitate to watch this video right there, and I'll see you guys there.